what if I told you I could pay online using nothing but ChatGPT and some free tools? No ads, no fancy setup, and the best of everything, you don't need money. I mean, you just need your will to start. So stay with me for the next 5 minutes and I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can copy me and do it too. So first guys, what we're gonna do, it's open up ChatGPT and tell it to give you a product idea. I literally type like, give me 20 different digital product ideas for small businesses, and boom, I got it. This is my first digital product, so I didn't have actually too high expectations about it. But then guys, you gotta pick one. In this case is the ebook. So you gotta say to ChatGPT like, write me a simple beginner friendly guide on whatever you want. And then guys, you're gonna get a full draft ebooks in seconds, like pretty simple. In my case, my ebook's about 100 AI prompts for small businesses. The next step you gotta do is design on Canva. Like, I took the text from ChatGPT, copied it into Canva, used one of their free ebooks templates, added some icons, bold titles, and cleaned the layout, and etc. So it's pretty much organize your ebook into Canva, and you're gonna get your full ebook in less than 20 minutes. So the next step guys, upload and sell it on Hotmart or Etsy. It's up to you guys both. In my case, I chose Hotmart. So I uploaded the ebook to Hotmart. It's a platform that lets you sell digital products worldwide, and I listed at $4.99. So I made it in a few hours and just shared the link on my social media with literally everyone I knew or didn't. I sold 10 copies, not life changing, but like, yo, that's $50 out of air. Like with zero cost because I didn't spend any money on it. So yeah, it's a pretty solid business in my opinion, and if you got some extra money, you can invest in some ads and get more leads so you can get more sales. So wait, how do you get sales without paying ads? Here's the answer. So guys, if you want sales, you gotta move, like you're gonna work hard. Just don't expect random people just stumble across your product and you're gonna get sales, because it's not gonna happen. So here's exactly what I did. I mean, for TikTok, I made a simple video showing my ebook and link it in my bio. For Instagram, I just used Canva mockup of the ebook and said who is it for. For Facebook groups, I gave away a few free tips from the ebook and then dropped in the link at the end. And I didn't spam, like I focused on helping and people actually check it out. That's how you build interest with zero ad budget. Real talk, $50 might not change your life, but it changed my mindset. And it proved to me that even with free tools and no fancy setup or no paid apps, I could make something like actually get paid for it. Most people wait for a perfect idea, perfect timing, or a perfect year. I mean, I just started. Like, yo, that's the difference. So guys, you gotta say that this is about momentum, about taking action, testing, and learning. Once you break that first barrier, even if it's just one sale, you're in the game. So I proved to myself that I could create something from scratch, put it out there, and get paid for it. And guys, if you copy the system, I can assure you can do the same. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about proving to yourself that you can create something valuable and sell it. So guys, is this helped you out? Drop a like please, and don't forget to press the subscribe button below, because I'm dropping real stuff like this every week. AI tools, no budget hustles, and building income from scratch, and another kind of content that you're definitely gonna like. So this is the day. Thank you for watching this video. See you next one. Peace out.